在厂房上都装的，
给我们生活带来一部分的收入吧。
对企业来说也是降低了那点成本。
我不太懂哎。
我们加油！
已经有了，效果怎么样？
效果应该还不错。
环保这一块考虑的话，以后光伏会是一个大的趋势。
Hello everyone, this is Harsong.
Hi, this is Shimin.
So today we are in another rooftop in Jiaxing. This is another type of distributed PV system. In the rooftop is covered by color steel tile. So let's go to the upstairs. Now we are in the color steel rooftop.
So what's the differences between here and the one we saw in the Hainan shopping mall?
Okay, since all the solar panel is live on the rooftop, the angle is fixed. Efficiency of the production of electricity will be a little bit less than the concrete signal rooftop. But you can see the same space, they can install more panel solar. So that means the total capability of production of electricity, this one is a bit higher than the concrete rooftop. Yeah. So now I will show you another angle from top of sky to see this solar panel station.
Okay. 能不能给我们简单介绍一下你们这一块的整个的装机容量和整个的这个发电的情况？
我们这边的话，是装机容量的话，大概是有3万兆左右。每天如果是阳光充足的情况下，能产生1万左右的电，占了我们的本站化的有40%，基本上来说可以节掉30万到40万左右。
这块的清洁能力，它的一度电是占到15%。
对，所以通过这个15%的这个电价差，对每年形成了40万的收益，对，就是这样的。企业是比较难的，对。
Okay, Shumi, in the previous video, we already showed to our audience a different type of smart PV solutions. In future, we will bring our customers and the audience to different scenarios and show more knowledge about the smart PV solutions.
See you soon.
See you soon.